free aeration for your reservoir with no air pump. Plus, I'm going to give you a quick overview on how the system works. Now that's the pump down there. That's the pump. And the way I get some extra aeration, or I call it free aeration, is this feeder pipe that goes up to the rail to the intake manifold. I have this valve right here, so I can control the flow to the intake valve, the intake manifold. And what I'll do is I'll adjust it so it pressurizes this piece of pipe right here. So I drilled the hole and put in this 1/4 inch irrigation sprinkler, 1/4 inch sprinkler hose, I guess. It's real kind of hard plastic. But if you look, check that out. All it's doing is shooting water back into the tote, recirculating, and at the same time giving me a bunch of aeration. I think it's cool. And for those of you that don't know too much about hydroponics, I'm going to give you a quick overview on how the system works. There are many different types of hydroponic systems that you can use, or methods that you can use, but I like the nutrient film technique. NFT it's called. Water is always moving and it doesn't get stagnant. So let's take a look. This is just a tote filled with nutrient filled water with a pond pump in it. The pond pump will pump the water up to your intake manifold and just trickles down each of these rain gutter downspouts. It comes out the other end into the exhaust manifold, which is just another rain gutter downspout, and back into your tote. Very simple, easy to make. Anybody can do it, or teach a person how to garden and feed them for life. It really works. I've been doing it for years and I enjoy it. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one.